Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to schedule YouTube Shorts on phone. So let's start. First, you have to open up YouTube app and click on the plus icon at the bottom. Hit on create a short. You have the option to record a video, short video, or just select from your camera raw. Just allow access to all photos. Once done, you can add effects. Hit on check mark, and then you have the option to do as you please here and hit on next. You can click on the visibility and choose the audience, and below that there's a schedule option which you have to click, and here you have the option to set the time and date which you want, or when do you want to post the shorts, and then go back and just hit on upload short, and that will be posted on your scheduled date and time. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.